Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're working on arms. I've got 5 exercises picked out for us. We're gonna be using repetitions on each exercise, and a pair of dumbbells is all you need, baby. No yoga mat, nothing else. If you need gear, click the links in the description. Don't forget, November's workout calendar is available, so get it there, and let's get into this with our first exercise, around the worlds, starting here and raising them up in a circular motion and right back down. Keep your back nice and straight. You can do a small forward lean, but you see here my back is still straight. We're not arching. We're kind of tucked in just like that. Core is tight. And let's get started. 3 sets of 10. This week has been a lot of upper body. It feels so good. All right, great job. 10-second rest, no longer than 10 seconds. I'm feeling good today, you guys. I hope you're feeling good. Let's move into set 2. Great job, 10-second rest. And then we got one more set of 10. These are feeling good. My shoulders, we're a little sore still from boobs and back. All right, last set, you guys, last 10. Make sure you're breathing, coming down nice and slow, pushing your arms up to the roof in a circular motion. Let's get it. 4, 5, almost there, 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, oh, one more, come on, you got this. And 10, let's get it. Take a 20-second rest. All right, while you guys are resting, we're gonna be doing tricep extensions, leaning over, not above the head this time. Lean over, back is nice and straight. Oh, let's do a little stretching really quick. Those hamstrings are tight. All right, so from here, we're gonna push back, just like this. Arms are tucked nice and tight by your side, but we're not digging into our sides for support. We're just nice and tucked and up. 1. Come down nice and slow. 2. Controlled motions, just like that, okay? That's the workout. Back is straight, core is tight, and push those arms back as high as they can go. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Great job. 10-second rest. It's nice to mix it up sometimes, you guys. All right, set 2. Great job. 10-second rest. One more set of 10, and we're moving on. This is a quick workout, super effective. Last set of 10.
Hey, come on.
9 and 10. Great job. 20-second rest while you guys are taking a rest. I'm going to show you our next exercise. We're going to curl up, switch, push down. When you push down though, control the lowering of the arms. Come up, switch, push down. We're actually working the front arm here. There's a muscle here that also needs to get worked. So we're working biceps here and a little bit of tricep as well. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. 3 sets of 15.
Because I'm happy, happy long if you
on 3 and 4.
Happiness is a truth because I'm happy. I belong if you know what happiness is to you because I'm happy. I belong if you feel like that's what you wanna do. You come back news
And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. 10-second rest. I always forget to put this watch on. I'm trying to see how much activity I do. All right, set 2. Back is nice and straight, you guys. You're not putting your elbows into your sides for assistance. Core is tight. Curling all the way up, switching down. Good job. Controlled motions when you lower it down. You're really gonna feel those forearm muscles with this exercise. Go on 7, 8, 9, keep going, 10, good job, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Lower back down. Good job. 10-second rest. Oh yeah, my elbow. All right, last 10 or last 15 on this one, you guys. Let's get it. Three, 2, 1. Good job. Good job. Yeah, let's get it. 20-second rest for not our last exercise, almost though. We're gonna be doing front raises. So taking your dumbbell just like this, I'm gonna increase my weight here, but boom, right up top, lower it back down. The goal here is to come up quick, like everything else, and lower it back down nice and slow, keeping the tension and the resistance on the arms to really shred up those arms so you're nice and sexy. I'm gonna switch dumbbells and we're gonna get into the workout. All right, went and grab me a 10 and let's get started. We're doing 3 sets of 10. Okay, so back is nice and straight, core is tight, no rocking and no swinging. So what I mean by that is like none of this. Okay, if you're doing that, you're using too heavy of a weight. We're working arms here, shoulders, and a little bit of chest actually. Of course, some back muscles too, by the broad bulge. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, come down slow, 7, woo, I can feel the burn. Good job, 8, 9, one more, come on, 10. All right, good job, lower it back down, nice and slowly, give yourself a 10-second rest. That one's good. Ooh, I'm gonna get you. Set 2. Good job. 10-second rest. Ooh, you can feel it so good on your deltoids. Oh my gosh, that's insane. All right, last set of 10, you guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Ooh, halfway there, halfway there. 5, 4, Jesus Christ, that shit burns. 4, 3, 2. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I got this without swinging. Okay, 1 and 0. Good job, guys. We had to do 1 for good measure. Plus, I think I counted wrong. So 10 it is. Take a 20-second rest, and we're gonna go back down to our lighter dumbbells. All right, that was a burner. Last one is gonna be another burner. We're gonna be doing bent over lateral raises. So just like this. Back is nice and flat, core is tucked in, and boom, just like that. We're hitting back here, triceps, shoulders, arms, a whole lot of muscles. 3 sets of 10. Starting here, let's go. Come on, finish strong. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 1. Good job. 10-second break. Ooh, even me, I'm sore. Even me, come on now. All right, guys, second set. I think that was 10 seconds. Max out. 10. Oh my God, good job. Good job. 10-second rest. Woo, at the end there, I couldn't even lift my arm up completely. It's gravity right there for you. Get this last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, almost there. 4, 3, breathe. 2, 1, 0. 1 for good measure, you guys. Good job. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling good. Feeling sore. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. You deserve it. Don't forget, stretch those arms out. I'll leave a stretching video up here on the screen for you. Don't get tense, don't get sore. Stretch those muscles. I'll see you guys in that workout. Bye.